Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and we're going to demonstrate what we call our lightweight sewing machine. And this machine is a Seiko LSC 8B1. We use a number 16 needle on it, and the thread is a bonded polyester, and it's a number 92 thread. So here we are. This is a shoulder strap for one of our iPad messenger bags, and we're just going to sew that up. Top speed on this baby is around 2,000 stitches a minute. And yeah, we're going to get started. So come closer and let's go. So that needle's getting pretty hot. You can see the smoke coming off of it. Right there. So this machine is a clutch machine. They have clutch machines, and they have I forget what they are. They're the ones with the dial. And this is a clutch machine, so they're the old school. And here we sew slow, one stitch at a time. All right, and then we come back on it. One thing we want to make sure is that it doesn't skip right there in the corner. So we got to go slow. And then, oops, I was stepping on it. Huh. Heating up again. All right, so that's what this machine does. Now, let's see how much it can do and test its limits. What I've got here, so this was 2 pieces of our flight jacket leather. What I've got here are 3, 4, 7 pieces, about a ½ inch thick. This is a lightweight machine. So let's see how it does. So here are the first 2. We can start with 2 right here. So when you use a commercial machine, you always want to hold the 2 threads, the top and the bobbin thread, on your first stitch or 2, and that's so the top thread doesn't go down into the bobbin and get all caught up in it and wreak havoc with your machine. So you always want to hold for the first stitch or 2, and that just keeps everything tight. So here we are. We know we can do that. Let's feed it a third one here. Okay. Let's try number 4. Now eventually something's going to give. It's either not going to go through, or the thread will break because it's too much. All right. So we've got 6 pieces on there right now. Wow. Okay. Let's try 7 right here. Put this through. Okay, I don't even know what the limits are on this machine now. That's more than we would ever do on it, but here we are. Look at this. Check it out. Gone through all the pieces right there. You can see the bottom stitch, and then here's the top stitch through there. And hey, let's try one more thing. So we've got, let's just try, no, it's not going to go through that. That's a little too much. 7 pieces or 8 pieces of flight jacket leather, just over a ½ inch thick on our lightweight machine. And that's it. We'll see you in another demo. Bye.